Hello, today we will guide you through how to create employee in Gusto. To begin, sign into your Gusto account and make sure you are on the home page. Starting from the dashboard helps you navigate from a familiar location and ensures you can access the employee setup tools without confusion. From the left-hand navigation menu, click on People. This is the section where Gusto organizes team members, employee records, and onboarding tasks. If you are managing hiring or setting up a new worker, this is the area you will use most often. Once you are in the People section, click on Onboarding. The onboarding area is designed for adding new team members and guiding them through the information they need to complete before they officially begin working in the system. This keeps the setup process organized and helps reduce the chances of missing important details. At the top right of the screen, click Add Person. This opens the form where you can start creating a new employee profile. Take a moment here to make sure you are adding the correct person, since the information entered at this stage will form the basis of their employee record. Next, enter the employee's name details. Fill in the required fields carefully and double-check spelling before moving on. Accurate name information is important because it may be used across payroll, tax documents, and internal records. After that, enter the preferred first name if applicable. This is helpful when the employee uses a name that differs from their legal first name for everyday communication. Adding it here can make workplace communication smoother while still allowing official records to remain properly organized. Then, click on Employee. This step confirms the person's role type in the system. Be sure you select Employee as instructed so the profile is created under the correct classification. From there, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. Gusto may prompt you for additional details depending on your company's settings, such as work information, onboarding options, or other required fields. Move through each screen carefully, review the information as you go, and complete any required selections before continuing. As a final tip, take a quick moment to review everything before finishing the process. Small errors in setup can create extra work later, especially when payroll or onboarding documents are involved. Once all required information is entered and the on-screen steps are complete, the new employee will be added in Gusto. That's it for this walkthrough on how to create an employee in Gusto.